Okay guys, in this video we are going to be looking at how you can withdraw your earnings on Vicopoint. So it's one thing to earn, it's another thing to withdraw your money. Yes, withdraw on Vicopoint is very easy, unlike most other platforms here. Some other platform may tell you withdraw it only once in a month, once in a week, or every month of the week or so. So it's not like that on Vicopoint. Vicopoint withdrawal is as smooth as anything you can ever think of. Anything you're able to earn on Vicopoint is always readily available to withdraw to your bank account or to your Vicopoint wallet. So those are the two methods you can use to withdraw money on Vicopoint. So now, to withdraw money on Vicopoint, you have to go to www.vicopoint.com. As you can see here, then you are going to click on login. As you can see, click on login here. Okay, so this login, click on login. Once you click on login and then log into your account, is going to take you to the user dashboard, as you can see here. So when it takes you to your user dashboard, you go through this left hand side page, scroll, you are seeing buy this, buy that, then just scroll to your funds. You can see funds here, it's after listing. So scroll until you see this fund, click on the funds, click on this arrow down beside the fund to review all other functions under the fund. So on that fund, you're going to be seeing withdraw to wallet, manual transfer, you have wallet top up, you have airtime to wallet and all that. So just click on this withdrawal. I think that is the last option there. So click on withdrawal, then allow it to take you to the withdrawal page as it's loading. Okay guys, this is the withdrawal page. As you can see here, after we click on withdrawal, it took us to this place. You can see here you have source, that is your source account. You have a total bonus balance, you have your wallet balance. So it means that you can withdraw from these sources. You can withdraw from your video wallet balance, you can withdraw from your bonus balance. So this bonus comes from maybe you refer people, you make purchases and other ways of earning any on the platform which we described earlier in our previous video. So now here you are selecting whichever one is currently on total bonus balance, and the amount here, as you can see, is 2 something. So then you also make a choice. Let's see if you have anything on our wallet balance. On our wallet balance, we currently have 10,002 naira. Okay, so whichever one you want to withdraw, let's say you want to withdraw a bonus. So let's withdraw a bonus. Then here, where do you want to withdraw it to? Option to select either to your bank account or to your wallet. This wallet means is your video based wallet. So if you withdraw it to this wallet, it will be because this 10,000 that is already here. Okay, so withdraw it to bank. Let's try that withdraw bonus. This was the earnings in previous or just a recent earning we made about one person that just subscribed and uploaded to VIP through our referral link. I think that was yesterday. Okay, we have withdrawn all of that one. So now here you go to bank, select bank. This is you want to withdraw it to bank. So you go type in your bank details. So this, let's say access bank, then put your name, the bank name. That's what you're going to put there. Let's say Vicopoint. That's the bank name. Sorry, account name. So you're going to put your account number, you put your bank name, then you put your account name. Once you do that, you click on submit. That is if you are withdrawing to a bank account. If you are withdrawing to wallet, it's going to be credited inside your wallet balance. Then you can use it to buy our services, or you can also withdraw from there at any time. So just click on submit, and we are going to process your withdrawal in or just within 24 hours, depending on how you want it. If you have any details, you can attach it to there. Whether you want it to be processed as fast as possible, you can also attach details, more details in that form field where you put in your account number and all that. So this is exactly how you can withdraw your earnings on Vicopoint and use it to go and do the. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.